Every time I wear Talk with KG Essentials, someone asks, "What are you wearing?" Trust me, you need this scent.
If you like the video that you just watched now, I'm going to teach you how to create something like that for your brand using your phone for free. Like now, I'm using my Tecno phone to generate this. You can also do it on your iPhone. You can do it on any mobile phone that you have, and it's totally free to create. You want to advertise your business, and you don't have money to pay for model, you can just use this AI tool to generate your video, and it's going to look realistic, and you can use it to advertise any of your brand. This is a simple way for you to start making money. You can do it for brands. If people see that you are doing it, they will come into you that you should do it for them too, and you charge them. So this is a quick way to make your money. You can build a brand with this. I'm going to go to my Play Store right now. I'm going to search for Shopify by Tinker. So you see Tinker by Shopify, that's the name. So you're going to download it. Because I already have it on my phone, it's already downloaded because I use it to create my videos. So you're going to click on open now because you've finished installing it. So once you open it, it gives you to sign up if you don't have an account, and if you already have an account, you just need to log in. So because I already have an account, like I said, it's just going to log me in straight. So now it's asking me, what do I want to create? So you click on this, what do you want to create now? And it's going to bring you to this interface. The next thing you're going to do is, I'm not going to generate my image here. I want to go straight to video because I already have my image. So I'm going to click on video now. Once you get to video, you are going to paste your prompt. What do you want to happen in that video? And you're going to select the picture that you want to put there. So now for the prompt, now this is my prompt. I'm going to paste it here now. The lady takes the perfume from the shelf, sprays it, closes her eye while enjoying the fragrance and speaking slowly. So this is what she's going to say. Always write "she says" so that the AI will know who is going to talk, especially if you have two people that is talking in a video, so that the AI will know that, okay, it's a boy that is saying this and it's a girl that is saying this. Or maybe you can use their clothes or their hairstyle or anything to differentiate them, so that the AI will know that, okay, it's the person with dreadlock that is saying this, is person that is on braid that is saying this. Now this is my prompt. I'm going to mark it now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select frame now. You're going to click on photo library, then it's going to take you to your library. Now you decide which of this image do you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use this full image. You can preview it if you want, but I'm going to click on done now. Once I click on done, it's going to upload. So while this is uploading, I'm not going to put end frame there. I'm going to click on these additional settings now so that I can set what I want. Then you scroll up. I'm going to leave this on. Allow Tinker to improve your prompt for better results. I want a better result, so I'm going to leave it on. And the aspect ratio is not going to be vertical because it's not a TikTok or a Facebook video. It's going to be landscape because it's a YouTube video. Now the next thing is the duration. I'm not going to put it on 4 seconds. I want 6 seconds. So the next thing you're going to do is, after generating many videos, you're going to take them all to your editing app and you're going to merge them together to create a longer video. And remember, if you see that, okay, you have exhausted your video generation on this email, you switch to another email. Or better still, if you don't want to go through these trails, you can just pay for the pro version. But for us, we are going to be doing everything for free, so you can switch your emails. So now I want them to say something. If you want to be the one to narrate it, you just want you to animate your video, you can turn this off. But I want to generate audio with it. I want them to speak in the audio. You see that you've watched some folktale stories that there will be somebody that will narrate the story from the start to the finish. It's only one person that will be saying everything about the story, but there will be movements it's not going to be a static photo. It's not going to be a photo that will not say anything. They will be talking, you'll see gestures, but there will not be audio. It's now the narrator that will be the only one speaking. That's when you turn this off. But for us, it's going to be on because it's the AI that wants it to say everything. So now, if you have a negative prompt from ChatGPT or your Claude AI, you can paste it here. But for me, I'm going to leave that negative prompt. Now you are going to slide it to generate. So it's going to take like a few seconds to generate. Once it generates, we are going to watch the video together. One good thing about this AI tool is that it improves your prompt, as in it makes it better, and it does not really take time to generate your video. So let's just wait for it to generate and see. If you see that okay, the video that it generated for you, you don't like it, you can regenerate another one if you want. Our video are finished generating. To download it, you click on these three dots down here, then you click on download, and it's going to download to your gallery. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Every time I wear Talk with KG Essentials, someone asks, "What are you wearing?" Trust me, you need this scent.
Tell me if you found this video interesting, if you learned something new in this video. Please leave a comment for me, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to my video.